Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, August 4th. Hope you guys having a great day so far. Kind of a quiet day on the markets. Not too much going on here. So we'll kind of keep this video short and sweet for you folks. So we do have one item on the economic calendar. That is factor orders for the month of June. As you can see here, May, it jumped up 7.7%, which was very good considering we had the lockdown. Uh, Forecast for June was calling for a 4.6% increase, and it increased 6.2%. So again, that kept pretty well kept upwards, which is good news for manufacturing and factories and stuff. So let's hopefully see that continue. Let's move on to headline news. Stocks are up. Of course, you know the main thing that they're looking for is what investors are watching for. Yeah, we got corporate earnings, but nothing real major right now is that's market moving in terms of earnings reports. But the investors are kind of watching Congress as they try to negotiate back and forth as to getting some type of stimulus bill out there. They want to kind of see they have their thoughts of what might be out there because there's been some speculation as to which side is kind of agreed upon. But again, we haven't come to any resolution or agreement between the two until that happens. We'll have to wait and see what kind of a bill that will come together and hopefully release here to help the people that are out of work, those who are maybe facing evictions and stuff. Hopefully, we can get some type of resolution to help those people that have been, again, placed out of work without their, uh, by no fault of their own. So let's jump ahead here, see how this is playing on the bond market. Bond market's doing all right. We're up about 8 basis points currently. We've been kind of going upwards a little bit, up about 13 basis points. So depending on when lenders came out, there might be some lenders that did come out with slightly better pricing or unchanged. So, but if it is, it might not be that much of a difference yet because this, like I said, this has been kind of going back and forth a little bit in terms of what we're seeing in the market. So again, some lenders might come out with a little better pricing. Others might be more conservative and kind of be less inclined and keep it unchanged from yesterday's pricing. The good news is that Treasury yields have come down, back down to these levels we've been seeing, down to about 0.52, just above that lightly. So that's good news right here. That's putting less pressure on mortgage-backed securities, which is helping with helping us get to the point where we're seeing better interest rates for mortgages. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that these videos are based on my views. Nobody else's views. These are not representative of anyone else other than my own. But I am also a loan officer. I do work with a national company, and if you guys are needing assistance in terms of buying or refinance, we can certainly help you with your pre-approvals or pre-quals, help you with the purchase of the property, help you set up a plan to try to, if you guys are looking into going into there, maybe we can help you guys out to plan ahead and what you need to do to become that homeowner, or if you want to become an investor. I've worked with investors, helping them starting from zero to owning quite a few properties of that line. Also with the refinances. One of the things I've been running into lately is elderly people who are retired that would like to refinance and are unable to refinance due to lenders not knowing how to calculate their income appropriately. So I've been able to help some of those folks as well take advantage of the lower rates. And then one of them was even to purchase a property. All right. So if you fit any of them or any other scenarios, I'm going to leave my personal email in the description below. So please feel free to reach out and let's connect. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.